What's up guys, quick video for you, appreciate you checking it out. Now I'm sure you've seen these all over the place. I've seen them on a bunch of other fishing YouTube channels, but I've never bought one of these, and since I was at the old Wally World, there was one left sitting on the shelf, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna buy one, see what's in these mystery tackle boxes. So let's go ahead and open this guy up here.
You're watching Florida Man TV, let's do this.
Alright, how do we get this thing open here? Now, if for some reason you've never seen a mystery tackle box, it's supposed to be like $25 worth of stuff, and I paid $17 at Walmart for it. So, just supposed to be some fishing gear in here, and we'll see what kind of stuff we got for 17 bucks. It's crushed, I can't get it out. Well, it sure is a mystery. Do it the old-fashioned way, like a kid on Christmas. Alright. Cue suspenseful music and unfold, it says. We got a ruler. Sweet. Alright. What do we got here? We got a Googan Squad clutch lipless crankbait. Not bad. Good color. I use red. A lot of guys use red. Got some bigger trebles on it than what I have on some of my other little cranks, and I do have a spot in my tackle box for this, so that's cool. The Clutch by Googan. Alright, we got a book, Tackle Box Dribble Fishing Tips and Tricks. A little something to read while I'm at work. Alrighty. We got a sticker from Catchco. You know, everybody loves a nice sticker. Alright, what do we got here? Diesel jig. This is the Diesel football jig. That's nice. I didn't have a football jig. It is in, looks like it's in green pumpkin, so that's kind of a classic color there. Cool. I needed a football jig. It's weedless, so sweet. I can use that. So far we're doing pretty good. Some Stickies finely crafted hooks. Stickies finely crafted hook. This is a 3/0 EWG. Actually, amazingly perfect. I have one 3/0 EWG hook left, and it's the one I use the most. So, freaking sweet on that. Man, I'm scoring on this one. I gotta say, I wasn't expecting much, but I'm pretty happy. See how many is in here. We get 3 of them. These are pretty beefy though too. I don't feel much flex in them. So all right, Stickies hooks. Not quite as sharp as my Gamakatsu hooks. That's for sure. They're not quite as sharp, but I think they'll work. Just mind your hook set. All right, I see a pack of worms in here. This is Lake Fork Trophy Lures. Well, these things are weird. What is this? Garlic and salt impregnated. It's like a little swim worm or something. Let me break one of these out and show you. This is weird. Whew, they smell. Yeah, they smell like garlic. You see this little break in the worm there? That's kind of crazy. So we'll have to do a video testing this out and see if the action is any different. They feel pretty heavy, so I think they're probably gonna sink. But can always use a worm. They do catch fish. Man, they do smell like garlic though, like garlic and onion. And finally, we have the Biospawn Vile Bug. So Biospawn I have not tried before, and this is a scented bait as well. Let's see if we can get a sniff check. They kind of smell like a Googan bait. So, but Vile Bug with the bio scent on there. Sweet. I mean, I've got some bunch of creature baits. I don't really need this, but I like to try a new something. And this weird worm is pretty interesting. Needed the hooks, so that's awesome. Needed a football jig, that's awesome. And you can't go wrong with a lipless crankbait. So that's awesome too. Bonus sticker. Well, there you go, guys. I mean, not too bad, I would say, not too bad. Now, you could probably look these up and really see if you bought them individually, if you're getting a deal or not. I'm gonna trust them, it's not about the money. It's just kind of like a mini Christmas. So, this box, not too bad. What box number was it? And in case you guys want this exact kit for some reason, it is box 341. I hope you can see that. Box 341, so look for that one. But all right, I think we did pretty good, man. I could use some of that stuff and it was kind of fun. So appreciate you guys tagging along with me on this one. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next video. Maybe we'll do some more boxes. See you then.